Good morning. Exercise 12.2 11th sum. A car has two wipers with do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through the angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each wiper blades. You have all seen that the car has wiper. When it is rains, we use that wipers. Each car has two wipers in the front. So it is given the length of the blade is given as 25 centimeter, and then angle whatever the wiper covers is 115 degree. So it is given wiper length, that is radius, is given as 25 centimeter and angle theta is equal to 115. Here we are going to find what is the area covered by the wiper. So for one wiper we are going to find, and then we are going to multiply for two wipers. So area covered by one blade, that is area is nothing but here the wiper covers the area which is in the shape of sector. So what is the formula for sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta value is 115, divide by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius, that is length of the wiper is radius here 25 into 25. Each car has two wipers, that is both blades. So 2 into whatever this value 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. Two wipers are there, that is why we are multiplying this value with 2. Now I am going to simplify 115 and 360, 23 times 36. And then here we can cancel, this is 72 times, 72 into this 22 we are cancelling, 36 into 11, then rest this also you can cancel 18 times. Next step I have cancelled, so rest of the value is 23 into 11 into 25 into 25 divided by this 18 into 7, that is 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square. More than this, if you want, you can divide and you can write the value in decimal also, or if you are leaving here also, nothing wrong, you can give the answer in fraction also. 12th sum. 2. One ship for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red colored light over the sector of angle 80 degree and the distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So here angle is given as 80 degree and radius, that is what is the radius covered by the sector, is given as 16.5 kilometer. So given angle is 80 degree, radius is 16.5. 16.5 is nothing but 165 by 10. I am not changing this. This is also kilometer only. I am just writing this 16.5 decimal. I am writing in terms of a fraction, 165 by 10 kilometer. And it is given in the question, use pi is 3.14. Here area of the sea which the ships are warned is nothing but area of the sector. Therefore, area of the sector, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Substitute the value. Theta value is 80, divide by 360 into pi is 3.14 into radius is nothing but 16.5. 16.5 how I am writing is 165 by 10 into 165 by 10. Now simplify this part, you will get 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 into that 3.14, how I am writing? 314 by 100 I am just removing that fraction and I am writing in terms of decimal. Now whichever is possible to simplify, I can simplify here 3 times 165, 55 times. Again this 3 and this 165, 55. Multiplying 2 into 2 into 314 into 55 into 55 divide by here 100 into 100. So it is 10,000. So 10,000 is nothing but we are just moving to 4 decimal. So 189.9700 kilometer, which is nothing but 189.97 kilometer. That is what the area covered by the ship. 13th question. A round table covers has 6 equal design as shown in the figure 2.14. It has 6 equal design. When I am joining this, I will show you. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, radius is given as 28. Find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.36 per centimeter square. Use pi as use root 3 is equal to 1.7, it is given. So what are the informations given? Radius of the circle is given as 28 centimeter, and this design whatever it is there, when I am connecting all the diameters, I am getting 3 diameters, so I have 6 sectors, 1 2 3 4 5 6 sectors. So if I have divided this with the sectors, I am having that is 6 sectors. That is what equal designs are shown in the figure. So what is the angle means? 360 divided by 6. So angle for one sector is 60 degree and radius is given as 28 and 28. Since these two radius are equal and the designs are all also equal, I am taking that as equilateral triangle. It is given root 3 is equal to 1.7, and it is given in the question cost for making the design for 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.35. This is also given in the question. Solution: area of one sector. So I want to find this region, area of the sector, area of the segment, area of this segment, shaded region. For one part I am going to find, then I am going to multiply with the 6. So area of the one segment is equal to area of this sector minus area of the triangle. This is the formula. Area of the segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle. Here it is an equilateral triangle, so I am writing root 3 by 4 a square. Now I am going to substitute. Theta value is a 60 degree, divided by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius is 28 into 28. This minus I am writing as it is. Root 3 value they have given 1.7 divided by 4 into a value here, side of the triangle is 28 into 28. Now I am cancelling here 6 times, then 6 and this 22, 3 and 11. Then I can cancel this is 7 and 28 4 times. This 4 and 28 7 times I can cancel. From here 11 into 4 into 28, when I am multiplying 1232 by 3 minus this 1.7 into 7 into 28 is 333.2. So when I am dividing this 410.67 minus 333.2 equal to, when I am subtracting 77.47 centimeter square. This is area of one segment. I have 6 segment in this circle. So area of 6 segment is equal to 77.47 into 6. When I am multiplying 464.82 centimeter square. And it is given in the question cost of making the design as 1 centimeter square is, that is rupees 0.35. Now what is the area I have for 6 segment is 464. So cost of making 464.82 centimeter square is nothing but 464.82 into 0.35. So when I am multiplying this, I will get rupees 162.687. You have 2 decimal is enough since it is a rupees. So rupees 162.69 is the answer. So cost of making this rupees, so that is why we are getting that rupees 162.69. This is what cost per area covered by the design. Thank you, children.